In this quick video, we are going to troubleshoot any washing machine, and it doesn't matter what brand you have. This is a GE, but you might have an Amana, you might have a Samsung, it doesn't matter. This is a top-loading washing machine that is stuck on fill, and this happened to me, and so the light will stay on here, and it will not go any further through the cycle. It won't go to the soak or the wash cycle. So this is very common for this to happen. The very first thing you want to do is make sure that there's no obstruction of the door. So in my situation, this towel was actually on it like this. That was obstructing it, and that's why it was stuck on fill. So open up the door and check around the frame and make sure that there's nothing like lint or anything around it or any clothing, because that will 100% make it not fill or go off the fill cycle. Check your latch, make sure that that's working. And then the next thing what I want you to do is play around with the controls and be aggressive. So example, with the deep rinse, what I'll do is I'll hold that down and then press it several times. Same thing with the pause, the play button, I'll do that. You can literally turn these around as well. So basically you're trying to get it, and then do around your dial as well, and see if that will untrip it to get off of the fill light. All right, next thing I want you to do, and this is a soft reset, what I want you to do is unplug it from the wall. So for example, mine is simply right here. I can just unplug it like that, but I understand you might not be able to reach it or be able to move the washing machine out of the wall. So what I want you to do is go to the circuit breaker in your home, whether that's down, it's usually downstairs if you are on a 2-story. Go to the circuit breaker and look to where it says washer, and go ahead and trip that switch off, and then come back to your laundry room and make sure that the lights are off in the area and that there's zero power. And then what that does is it does a soft reset. Go ahead and let that sit unplugged for a good 10 minutes, and then plug it back in, or go back to your circuit breaker and flip it back on, and then make sure you have power, and then try your cycle again and see if that works. You're going to find that that will usually fix the issue. All right, next thing I want you to do is look at your hot water and your cold water coming in from these inlets. So of course the red is hot or warm, and then the other one is cold. And so what I want you to do is make sure that they're both fully on. So you might only have them halfway on. So go ahead and test out the spigots. Usually it's lefty-loosey, righty-tighty, and off is usually counter or clockwise, and then on is usually to your left, which is counterclockwise. Make sure that they're both fully on and go all the way on. All right, and then, because what will happen is a lot of times you might have work done on it, or someone turned it off, a plumber turned it off, and then they never turned it back on, or you might have just newly installed it and never check the water. So do that. Another thing that'll happen is a lot of times there'll be a kink in one of these inlet hoses. So check really well, and you want to make sure that there's no kinks that going from here all the way to the end of the line, and sometimes there'll be like a little bend or whatever. So go ahead and make sure that there's no kinks, because if that's obstructing the water, that's why that fill light stays on. All right, now after you've done that and it still will not go past fill, go ahead and unplug it again and remove both of these lines from the, well, and of course turn the water off from both the cold and the warm. And then what you're going to do is unplug it, also unscrew it from the washing machine. And then there's going to be like little inlet screens, like little small screens to prevent debris from going in. Make sure that those are completely cleaned out. Get a toothbrush or whatever, clean them out on both ends. And you might want to check and make sure that there's no obstruction inside that inlet hose. If there is, try to get it out with like a long metal clothes hanger, or buy a new one. And then plug it back in, and then turn the water back on, and then plug it back in, and see if that fixes the issue. You're going to find that a lot of times that will fix the fill issue. All right, and next thing you can do is, it could be just, going too slow, which is sometimes happens. So what you might want to do is give it time, give it a good 15-20 minutes, and see if that will fix the issue. You're going to find that a lot of times that will. Or try different cold temperature. So for example, I have it on cool or warm, let's say. Let's say if you have it on hot or warm, there might be an issue with that particular inlet. Go ahead and put it just solely on cold or cool, and you're going to find that a lot of times that will fix the issue as well. All right, let me know in the comment section which one of these methods worked, and let me know what kind of washing machine do you have. Do you have a GE? Do you have an Amana? Do you have a Samsung? Do you have a Whirlpool? I'd be very, very curious. All right, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe.